release Jack Ainger, and he's away through the tackle. Blade won't be stopped from here. Presses the accelerator, backs his pace and his strength, and Keelan Blade gets in for yet another try. It's his 5th in the URC this season, and Connacht have started this game at breakneck speed, and they're a try to the good inside 6 minutes. Blade back to where it came from, and David Hawkshaw, who made the initial burst 70 metres down the field, easily cruised through 2 or 3 Scarlet defenders, and they go again. Prendergast gets it away, and Owen de Butler dodged down. Connacht keeping the ball on the pitch, chasing that high ball in play time, trying to stress the Scarlets' defence, both with their ball in hand and kicking game. Front and centre, Owen de Butler takes on the responsibility himself.
Time to wrap for me.
Ainger gets that little pop pass out the line, beckoning. That must be a try, and it is a try. Good line off a short pass from Johnny Williams, but Connacht being put to the pin of their collar here, and Via Fafita gets away on the inside. Scrum half runs a perfect line. Effin Jones, on his first start for the Scarlets, gets them off the mark in Galway, and they deserve that try. It was brilliant, phase after phase. Out to Hawkshaw, and again he makes a lovely line break. David Hawkshaw now options left and right. Oh, brilliant! Andrew Smith, reminiscent of the last time Connacht were here 6 weeks ago against Bristol. We will check.
On for the decision's try, because I believe the player scored a try. Please check footing touch.
Your decision is
on for the decision's try.
It's the foot and touch that they're going to go back and look for, and that's what ultimately cost them as well against Bristol a few weeks ago with that foot and touch. Wow, what a dive! Oh.
So will be goal line dropout for Green.
Goal line dropout. No try.
No try.
Fairly
no
spectacular
try.
all the same, isn't
Not
it? Like
on.
he's getting a bit of a name for himself in terms of those spectacular finishes, but when you don't come away with the 5 points.
Real defensive test for Connacht now. Cal Ford not rolling away quick enough for the referee's liking, and it's penalty advantage.
Get advantage.
Sam Lousy finds his way to ground eventually. Dan Jones wants it to come this way, and it does, and there's lots of options. Good hands, lovely offload, and over the top. Oh no.
To me,
you know, build a score, get back into it. All they got to do is just hang on in here, make this go right down to the wire, because for a team that's lacking confidence, the longer they stay in the game, the more that confidence will build. And defensively, I'm surprised actually how they started. They've left. He looked like he was the first man in there.
hold.
So Heffernan finding
Check is good.
Prendergast, and away comes Conor Oliver. Now this is interesting from a Connacht point of view. Oisin Darling tries to get that offload away. The ball is behind the try line and grounded by Sean Jansen, but how has it got there exactly? Through that forest of bodies.
Okay, sorry. The play is offside. So the main try is good.
So
the home crowd would like a Conor, so it's gone down well, that decision. But
5 points depending on results elsewhere tonight.
Time is yours.
Ulster Dragons, Leinster, Cardiff, and the games in South Africa this afternoon can make a big difference for Connacht, but they came into tonight knowing that they had to back up the performance at the Arms Park against Cardiff with a home win, their first outing in front of their own supporters in 6 weeks. Been a bit of a long time coming. They set about their business pretty well with a couple of well-taken early tries from Keelan Blade and Owen de Butler with a big moment on his first start at this level. And then they backed that up with a try from Sean Jansen, who ultimately sealed the deal with his second and Connacht's fourth of the evening in the second half. At half-time it was a contest. The Scarlets couldn't really get going in the second half, and Connacht run out comfortable winners in the end. Connacht 26, the Scarlets 10.